not going to tell you everything there is to know.
That's what the internet's for.
You're going to get in,
learn something,
and put it to work.
You're going to do it.
We'll respect your intelligence,
respect your time,
respect that you want to learn
what you need to do on the job.
Welcome to Eleventure. Higher learning at work.
It's safe to say that stress is not a stranger to any of us. Our lives are filled with daily stressors, high-pressure situations, and schedules that are so packed, it feels like there isn't any time to decompress. Stress can fill our work and our personal lives. It can erode our relationships and even our health. Most of us are so used to being stressed out that we think we're okay as long as we're not lying in a heap on the floor from total exhaustion. Even if you don't think that a situation is stressful, it could still be interpreted by your body as a stress-inducing situation. In this course, we'll explore the neuroscience behind stress and what happens to your body when you are under stress. Most importantly, you'll learn how to handle stress and bring your body back to a relaxed and stress-free, or at least lower stress state. So let's get started.